We are underway as the referee into the opening 2 minutes of the game. Usama, good start. Cross comes in by Usama Arafat, delivered rightly into the hands of the goalkeeper Ronald Chris Nsubuga. The player Manyanja, brought in by Gavin Chisito, trying to at least sneak in that ball to deliver something down. The shot comes in here. Good chance here for Kcca Football Club to open up the account. Brought in by Gavin Chisito, trying to at least sneak in that ball to deliver something down. The shot comes in here. Good chance here for Kcca Football Club to open up the account. Now, Saidi Mayanja. Kwikiriza Shafik. Kwikiriza delivers the cross. It's a chance blocked. Usama tries to hit the ball inside at the goal area. Chance here for that is Kcca Football Club. And again, the floor dropped in by one hand here, but taken just right over the VAR. The floor dropped in by one hand here, but taken just right over the VAR. As for Kcca inside the penalty area, chance here for Kcca Football Club. Looks on, takes it perfectly. That Arafat Usama, good stretch. Just to Gavin, cross delivered. Kcca Football Club just right. And Saidi Mayanja. Kataka. Biaflo, well punched by Mugolov. Mayanja delivers. Good corner. A little tight there for Anyama Emmanuel. Back to side again. Does well to deliver the ball back inside that box. All denied by the woodwork. Nana Kwikiriza tries to lay the ball inside again. For referees watching. Good corner down to the near post. Another quick right time to deny the Kcca Football Club Academy graduate. Anyama! The Kcca Football Club Academy graduate. Anyama! The Kcca Football Club Academy graduate. Anyama! Oh, Kcca Football Club strike fast in today's graduate. Anyama! And that's how the first 45 minutes have been played. Kcca Football Club opening up the account officially. And that is Samba. Let me touch. Serunjoji. Anyama. Usama Arafat with the back flick. And again Unyama! What with the back flick? And again Unyama! Anyama, Usama Arafat with the back flick, and again Unyama! What a strike from Emmanuel! Mubezi, Kwikiriza, oh, tip top of that is Mubezi, Kwikiriza, oh, tip top of that is Jao Gabriel turns one. Jao turns for the second time. Mubezi strikes that ball players. Before that corner was taken inside. That is Sama Mugume Kcca Jao Gabriel. Arafat Usama now. Mubezi looking for Yao, takes Usama. Yao Gabriel and Kcca Football Club. What is this? Usama now. Mubezi looking for Yao, takes Usama. Yao Gabriel and Kcca Football Club. What is this? Arafat Usama now. Mubezi looking for Yao, takes Usama. Yao Gabriel and Kcca Football Club. What is this? Mubezi again. Good cross delivered inside. Bouncing header was almost. That's the end of the Sunday